Hi loves and welcome back to my channel Adi Sangati, which means that's the matter. I can't even express how fast the time is flying when I'm in Korea. Day by day I'm seeing more of Korea, and today we decided to explore Express Bus Terminal because I have heard a lot about it. The fact that there is a huge shopping spree, close to 600 shops under a subway station itself surprised me. Like, why is it even hiding there? And it felt like we are hunting for a treasure chest while we were traveling to that place. And on the other side, I was a little curious and skeptical about it because I thought it would be a little shady because it is under a subway station. But to my surprise, it wasn't. In fact, it was beyond my expectations. And you know what? I had a lot of surprises in this visit, and in this video, I'm going to share all of those surprises with you. So let's go. But before that, let's just appreciate people standing in line while they're waiting for the next train. Guys, we have to learn a lot.
This is your baby you've been waiting for.
So as we reached the subway station, there are a bunch of directions here and there about reaching the express bus terminal. Here begins my first surprise. Honestly speaking, I am done with huge serving sizes, especially in these westernized countries. If I have to buy a coffee or a tea, I will definitely get it in huge sizes. And I started craving for Indian style tea or coffee that we can easily buy on the roadside, To my surprise, we found this coffee vending machine, which almost everybody ignored. By the way, that machine also looked a little old and we weren't sure about it is working properly or not. But somehow we really wanted to try it. Yeah, it's just risking 500 won. All we need to do is drop the 500 won coins and select the coffee or tea. But here is the interesting part, okay? We didn't know the names of those tea flavors. But yeah, they are definitely not the conventional flavors. They are kind of different names. But yeah, anyways, we had fun. Then we did some shopping, but in this video I'm going to show you things which are beyond shopping, okay? But here are some little things that caught my eyes. These cute nightwears and some home slippers. Oh my god, they are really so cute. And the prices here are comparatively cheaper, so if you will be visiting Korea anytime soon, this place is definitely a good bet. Hi guys! I am really overwhelmed with all the shopping. I heard that Express Bus Terminal has around 600 shops. So yeah, we did some shopping and I came here to exchange some cash because some shops they just accept only cash. So yeah, I'm in search of Wow Pass machine over here. And I think I'll be giving you a clear information of how to use Wow Pass machine and also how to find a Wow Pass machine close to you. And about our shopping experience, I really loved it, and I see myself getting distracted for every shop. Every minute, every second I'm getting distracted with so much of cute stuff, and Korea's cuteness overloaded. And about what we shopped, I will definitely make a haul because it's a haul type of shopping, and we actually bought some keychains and some little bit of souvenir and also earrings. We really loved cute earrings over there. Finally, I found the Wow Pass machine. So in this machine, you just need to select the language.
Please select your service.
So it will show you where you have to insert your bills, and oh yeah, You're good to go. Yes.
Please wait.
And it will show you when the process is
Currency
done.
exchange is complete.
So I went to exchange my cash. I did all of that, and then there was a person who came out from the tourist information center and they gave me this picnic mat just as a gift. Cool, right? Basically, she asked me if I'm doing a travel video. I said yes, and then she handed me this and she said, we are giving this to travel creators, and I'm like, oh wow, this is amazing. Soon we were done with walking, so it's time to have some food. The only difficult part is finding a vegetarian outlet, and also I was in the mood for a drink, so that I can carry it in my hands and have it on the go.
Greek yogurt, green tangerine yogurt, milk crush with pig pearls.
And then we had this hot dog kind of thing. This is a completely vegetarian hot dog which is made of potato and cheese. To be honest, I am not a big fan of cheese, but yeah, we really wanted to have something solid, so that we could walk further. So yeah, I just had a few bites of it, but those few bites are so yummy. Yeah. I wasn't able to eat it because of my calorie count, but yeah, that was so yum.
అండ్ లోపల నుంచి చీజ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
She's searching for places and I'm just chilling, just like I always do. It was a rainy day, not a lot of light, but yeah, we enjoyed walking. అక్కడే ఉంది ఫ్రెండ్స్, మాకేమైనా దొరికితే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. I wish we could get something here. We decided to go into this Duta mall. I don't know if I spelled it right, but this mall is so huge, guys. Hey, wow! Chudu chudu! Right in front of the mall, there is a stall. Oh wow, what a rhyming! Anyways, yeah, there is this pink color and yellow color stall, and we got to know that this is a free photo booth. That means we are getting free photos, but somehow it is a little crowdy and we had to wait even in the rain. So we are like, okay, let us check this on the way back so that there will be less crowd. But yeah, hope we could get some photos in this. As soon as we entered the mall, we found this menu kind of a thing, and we are towards food, souvenir shopping, and especially K-beauty. So I think 11th floor suits us. And let's go. Before we even looked into the menu, we asked them if there is a vegetarian option or not. And luckily, this restaurant, they said they would make a vegetarian broth on request, and we were more than happy about it. The thing here is we need to choose the veggies we want, and at the end they'll weigh it on a scale and charge us accordingly, and then they take all of those veggies and make a soup and serve it to us. It is something similar to a Japanese dish, shabu shabu. But here is the interesting part, okay? You can find a lot of varieties of mushrooms in Korea, and each mushroom has its own delicious taste. After looking at a lot of mushroom options available here, I was so happy and excited as well. Thanks to Mauni, my sister-in-law. She is my guide for every little thing. Before I put it into the bowl, I take confirmation from her. By the way, if you don't know, we both traveled Korea in the most unexpected and beautiful ways, and I have shared all of our journey in these travel vlogs. Go check them out, they are on my channel. So yeah, we chose a mix and match of mushrooms, bok choy, tofu, rice noodles. And here is another surprise for me, guys. I tried tok for the first time. Usually when you want to have tteokbokki on the street side or in any restaurant, it is not so easy to get it in a vegetarian version because it is mostly made with fish sauce. Though tok is a rice cake, though tok is vegetarian, but still they mix it with fish sauce, and that is how it is made, tteokbokki. But this time, as I'm making my own dish, I could finally try tok and feel its taste. And let me see how many of you know the name of this mushroom. And here I have to tell you one most important thing, guys. Koreans are really sweet at heart. Like while they were serving this dish to us, they said, eat your fill. Let me tell it to you in Telugu. It is much more impactful. They said, kadupu ninda tinandi. So it's like they literally want you to eat till your heart. So I rarely find people, especially people in the restaurant, serving food like this and asking us to eat completely, till your heart, like that. I mean, they wish something good for us. Not just this, when we were shopping for some random black top in the express pass terminal, after we purchased the product and leaving the store, she said, this is a very good one. You will look very good on this and style it nicely. It will look good on you. These kind of words. You know what? Usually what shopkeepers do is, before we purchase a product, they say these kind of words just to sell the product to us. But here in this case, they talk to us like literally they wanted something good from their heart. So yeah, Koreans are really sweethearts. And after all the veggies, finally some tofu. Yeah, I like the fact that tofu is available like ribbons over here, because I haven't seen it in India or either in the US.
스파이시 몇 킬로 어떻게 드실까요?
Spicy? Yes. 네. 스파이시 매운 거 먹어요.
네, 신라면 정도 스파이시 괜찮아요?
And finally, here it is. I know what you're thinking. It looks not so great, but don't judge the book by its cover. To be honest, we were kind of confused and overwhelmed with a lot of vegetable options, but we were happy at the same time because it took a while for us to find a vegetarian option. And yeah, we are excited to have it.
కావాలంటే కొంచెం స్పైస్ కూడా చేసిస్తారు. చాలా బాగుందా?
Yummy.
Oh, did you get this?
Isn't it so cute that Moni is trying to show all of these ingredients? She's literally trying to vlog and she's so cute doing that. So after the food is done, we are all set to explore again.
Two shades of foundation.
You remember the photo booth? So we tried it on the way back, and yeah, as expected, there was less crowd and we did get a chance to click some pictures. So if you're wondering what's there in a photo booth, just like me, we just need to select the frames first, and then we have to stand in the frames and give the poses, and we are all good to go. So there will be a camera, it will be quickly clicking your pictures. So out of the 4 pictures we wanted on the frame, it actually gave 6 chances for us. Like we posed for 6 times, and out of those 6 we are gonna choose 4 of them and put them in the frame. And it also has an option for filters. You can make it black and white, improve some contrast or something like that. and then finalize the picture you want and press enter, and we'll get the photos in a hard copy.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for spending a day with me in Korea. If you like this video, you will also like all of other vlogs as well, and this one is my most favorite one. You have to watch it. And yeah, I'll see you in another travel video. Until then, Adi Sangati. Bye.